Oh! Whoops, pardon me.
Leave me alone.
Sorry, Feathers. Didn't mean to make you jump. Not like there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. So, runs in my family, or jumps in my family, depending on which way you look at it.
What do you
Want?
Well, go on. You might as well get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There. I hope you feel better now.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mind if I hop off and come back on again? I mean, get a hold of yourself, Feathers. Who am I to call you ugly? I mean, look at me. There, see? Connect the dots. For talking ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged as me. You know what your problem is? You're preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You've got down in the mouth. Hey, is this thing on? I'm getting nowhere here. Nowhere. Come on. Can you at least give us a smile?
I just want to be left on my own.
That's just downright antisocial. Hang on. I've got a human in my throat. All right then. You know, I know how you feel though. I mean, I started out as a blob of jelly. It's been all downhill ever since. Well, I say to myself, you're just a handsome prince in frog's clothing, and then someday someone will come along and release your inner beauty. But then I say to myself, nah, get real, who wants to kiss a frog, right? You know what your problem is? No. Well, our image isn't in vogue. Vogue. That's all. It's a question of taste. But mark my word, someday ugly will be it. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who thwart the season will fall flat on their ass. You don't know what it's called. Fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone's gonna fall for you, though I may look a bit Jurassic. Oh, trust me, I'm a classic in my home. Well, if this old frog can go a-wooing, it's time you had a wake-up call. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all, tell 'em, bitch!
Someone will care. They'll love ya, warts and all. Somewhere out there. We can't say where, but someone is gonna fall for you.
Just think, whenever you need boosting, why someday you'll be roosting with a mate.
Soon you'll be roosting.
Though it may take some time to find them, but when you do, you'll have a boy. Whenever you need boosting, Why, someday you'll be roosting with the mates.
Soon you'll be roosting.
Though it may take some time to find them, but when you do, you'll have a ball.
We know you're gonna have a ball.
'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Out there somewhere, someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all, warts and all, warts and all. Oh, you're my favorite. Well, must stop. I'll be seeing your feathers. Oh, and remember, someday it'll be us who are the flavor of the month. Oh, what am I saying?
Well, goodbye. And if you ever find yourself near the duckyard, do call in. I'd love for you to meet my family.
Well, I hope you find them all right. Stay warm, stay cheerful. I'll be seeing ya. Ribbit, ribbit!